Siyempre.
Ang dami nyo.
It's dangerous.
No, it's not.
No, it's not.
Sige, doon ko sa malayo, ha?
Yeah.
Scared siya.
Doon ko sa ibabaw ba?
Alam mo naman yan.
O dito muna siya sa boat. Dadali ko siya dito sa malayo. Ayaw, gising natin everything.
Tulog pa. Tulog pa si ate.
I found a cute shell, and I was putting some rocks that I found in it also. See you again. Blurry.
You say hi again.
Hello.
What will you say? You're vlogging. Today you will be
Swimming.
and looking for
Shells and rocks. I like white. I like the white. I'm not racist.
where is it?
Yeah.
I'll not go down. I'll just stay here in the water. I'll wear my crocs. Just to make sure I don't step on anything. That's the one I'm scared of. Come on, look for rocks and then you show it in the video.
Huh?
Look for a rock and then you show it in the video.
I'm getting some. I got some. Ta-da!
I'll make the phone stand because it doesn't look good. Can't be seen.
The sea lion came onto the baseboard. Look, it's gone. Stop.
Yeah.
There's no more to open it.
Okay. Say hi to the video, baby. Come on, say hi. Ida. Ida, say hi.
Huh?
Say hi to my video. I said you stand up.
Hi.
Hi,
caught the shell that I wanted. Swirl. It's a very perfect shape.
Para malalim.
Wala na, naglalakad na si Myombay mo, no? Ha? Pagod na dyan na sa shore dumaan. Say bye-bye.
Bye!
Bye, kuya. Bye, kuya.
Huwag mo masyado ilubog yung ulo mo.
Bye, Ida. Bye. Hindi nag-say bye. Parang Baywalk, brad, ah. Parang Baywalk. Baywatch pala. Good job, swimmer.
Very good yung feet lang. Sipa.
Sipa-sipa pa, ha? O, sige. Go, go, go.
Don't use your arms.
Don't use your arms, only the ano.
Exercise.
Yeah.
Good job, love.
Try to open your legs as big as you can
Like,
para mas mabilis ka mag-propel. You don't have to make it fast like that, oh. You don't have to do it fast like that.
like this.
Flip lang na slowly, ganun lang.
So, dapat kasi dito ka sa medyo...
Oh, you hold on to Ninong Bay daw. Okay.
Ayun na. Kabila naman. Ang harang mo. Sa kulay. Ang daming dance step ni Kuya. Nakasampung dance step na siya.